What's up everyone, welcome to developing Android application for Android mobile phone. So this is going to be the part 22 of series of developing Android application for Android mobile phone. And let me just go ahead and talk to you about the toast message, which is going to be the topic of this video, and talk about what is a toast message. The point of this video is, if you see in front of your screen that handsome guy right over the screen is me. If you are curious to know what this symbol is all about, is actually it's a peace symbol. That's about it, and this is me. Alright, if you just want to know that how do I look, right, and use my mobile phone, I see one toast message each and every day of my life. So that toast message is I mostly use to play the music inside my phone, and I get the toast message that your hearing will be damaged, so you need to keep the volume low, something like that. So let's just go ahead and use my phone. So this is my actual devices which I use day to day life. So this is the music player which I'm going to use, because this is the application which is going to give me the toast message, that how the toast message is all about. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the song. So I'm hearing Alan Walker Alone song. So this is just the inside of my mobile phone, so I like to hear the music of that, right? So most of the people use Alan Walker. So let's just go ahead and talk about the toast message and come up right over here. So let me just go ahead and volume up my phone. So this is the volume up to lower your risk your hearing damage, and this is the toast message which I was talking about. So we are going to learn about how we can go ahead and create this application, right? So as I'm proud that you just reached till 22 of the video of developing Android application, I just like to give you a surprise. So this is a surprise video for you, an award for you, that you just reached back to my screen and talk about what is the surprise. So you know that people are actually using fidget spinner most of the time, and it is worldwide famous. I'm going to give you the application which has been created by me, and that is a fidget spinner. So let me just go ahead and open up my apps. So this is the application. This is fidget spinner. Click on my fidget spinner. So this is the application fidget spinner, which I'm going to go ahead and provide you with the GitHub link. All you have to do is go to my description, click on the link, and it is going to directly lead you to the full project of this application. All you have to do is click on download and download that one as well. So this is a free and surprise for you. So if you keep on watching, who knows, more surprise will be also there. So this is developed by Nazir Hakim. That guy, if you want to know, that guy is right over here building the toast message. You know that how the toast message looks, and this background looks pretty amazing to me. Alright, so Android Studio has been up and running, so they have come up with amazing styles and all. I'm trying to get used to it because it's pretty new to me. I just created a simple toast message name application, which is right over here. You can see making simple toast message. So this is the name which I kept. It is an empty activity. From this here you can understand that it's an empty activity. It is a linear layout, and add a button to that. So to get the button, click on that and just drop it right over here. So just drag and drop so, and give an on click to that, because if I click on this button, it is going to go ahead and provide me with the toast message. So we just thought about on clicks. Click on click, show toast to the application, and use the show, and use this method inside our main activity, which looks pretty like this. And do that is a simple trick lazy people try to find an easiest way, as Bill Gates says, and use my keyboard shortcut, that is Alt Enter, and just going to say create a new method inside main activity. Just hit on enter, and that's how simple it is to create a method. And use the toast message provide me with another amazing thing, which is been updated with 3.0 version of Android Studio. So we always have to explain this is the context and what is the factory method. So if you see right over here, dot make text factory method name, which is kind of different with Java, but it is used inside Android application. So this is going to be the context. Add the text, going to be identified that it is the context. That means this is going to be inside main activity. Dot this means this main activity, and then comes is the text which is going to appear in the toast message. This is the toast and is going to be shown. So this is going to be shown. So if it goes out of the screen, all you have to do is hit on enter and make it on your screen, or you keep it all of that. So point is, if you click on show method, now if you click on show method on this button, call this method, and it is the toast message. So there are two type of toast message which has the length of, that means a duration of length long and length short. So this is the two which is going to be capitalized for the shorter period, or you can use it for the longer period. So that's about it, and 90% of the people forget this dot show. So even if you do something, don't worry, there are a lot and lot of people doing the same mistake as you are doing. So your code is never perfect, but you have to make it perfect. All you have to do is click on place and give me the suggestion that this is my mobile phone, API level is 16, and you know that from the previous video you just came to know that if you have the API level of 21, material design is going to be appeared. So we need to have the constant of all of the version. So we will talk about that in upcoming video. So as you can see, it is getting installed API, so I need to go ahead and open up my real phone. So as you can see, it just built and it is just going to open up automatically. We don't have to do something else. So all I have to do is click on the show message, and it is going to, this is the show method, it is going to be shown. As simple as it is. So link will be in the description if you want to know, if you want this application inside the GitHub, link will be in the description. So that's about it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.